Hello everybody. Nice for us to be back and lovely to see you all. We are doing the January Fresh Box. This is a hibernation box, so you're lucky to find us awake. But Michelle has got some lovely products that she's worked on.
So we're thinking it's January, it's not time for making resolutions, it's time to relax and slow down and enjoy this hug in a box. Plan your self-care Sunday night, look forward to it, prepare for it, get all your pyjamas and towels wrapped in a hot water bottle, and then just really look after yourself and enjoy yourself with this box. So there's a subscription service, and you go to lush.com to find and go to the little tab to subscribe to them. And the products are made in the fresh room, all on the same day and packed the same day, and then you receive these fresh boxes the next day in your post.
Which is a tiny miracle, really.
Yes.
To get all the ingredients and all the formulas made up and make it all lovely, so you get the best benefit of the fresh thing. Fresh ingredients are as important on the skin as they are in your gut. So if you're eating fresh food at home, think about what you're putting on your skin and make sure that you make the best of that. So it's just a lovely add-on to your well-being.
Lush products have a use by date. You can also see when the products were made and who made them with our face stickers. So the fresh ones, normally you use them up in 28 days, but you keep using them, pop them back in the fridge, and then they're made by a clever combination of ingredients that remain stable for a few weeks. So with no preservatives, aren't they? So
that's brilliant. Yeah. And I think no preservatives is important because we just slather everything on. We eat all sorts of, we don't know what, and in this case you don't have to worry about that because we've taken it all out for you.
I begin, so I've got my pyjamas and my towel wrapped up in my hot water bottle. I'm keeping them all nice and warm and snug.
Can I put my Eyepads on yet?
Not yet.
Oh, all right.
So you've got to make your winter sleep facial toner first.
Okay.
So you put it's got rosemary and cleansing thyme and rosemary and anti-inflammatory purple iris into your hot water. So you can either steam your face with the hot water, or I like to let it steep for a while, and then I put a flannel in, and then kind of hot towel kind of flannel with the botanical water.
I'm going in.
You can do this in your kitchen if you want before you go up. Get your bath running.
That's lovely. I can feel my pores opening right now.
Perfect. So use this water to wash off this cleansing roll. So we've got Squirrelled away cleansing roll, or if you don't have this, you've got Let the Good Times roll instead, which is really lovely cleansing roll. But this one has got moisturising tahini, vitamin-rich and seasonal parsnips, and soothing acorns. So you just break off a piece, add some water to make a paste, and apply to your skin. I like little circular motions. And then you wash it off with your winter sleep facial toner.
It's just like a light putty, isn't it?
Yeah.
It goes on very nicely.
And then I've got my face mask on. So it's the Returning of the Light Fresh Face Mask. Or we could use Don't Look at Me as well. It's a really good face mask. So this one is inspired by the end of January. There's a whole hour more of daylight compared to the beginning of the month. So there we go.
Aren't we just pleased about that?
It's inspired by slow seasons. So the author of this likes to make marmalade to cheer herself up in January. So she uses Seville oranges, but my favourite fruit is blood oranges, so I put blood oranges in there.
Yeah, this is lovely. It goes on really well. That's lovely.
It's got the relax EC in it. Repeat for your feet.
Yeah.
So it's that orangey smell.
Very nice, very nice.
And then while you've got that on, you have a little read of your Dormouse postcard, because you've got a little hibernation meditation on it. So place these sleeping bears upon tired eyes. So
here we go.
Hibernating Eyepads on. As darkness wraps you in a quiet glow, picture the slowing world outside. Bare branches etching ancient stories in a crisp, cool air. Slow down. We don't have to worry.
You trying to send me off? That's lovely.
And then you've got the Sleepy Dormouse body butter. So this is like the King of Skin formula, which I love. So you just put it on damp skin. I just put a bit on my legs. A little bit goes a long way, and you just put a bit on, and then you just rub it in. So it's got nourishing fresh banana in it, moisturising avocado.
I love banana. Banana's always so nice. It's very.
We don't use enough of that.
No.
Skin conditioning cocoa butter in it, and soothing oat milk. So all the ingredients in this body butter are beneficial for the skin. I read it in a Lush Times.
Oh, it must be true then.
Yes.
Yeah, that feels great. Nice.
And then you can get out of the bath, get all dried, and then finally we've got a lovely enfleurage.
If you've never come across an enfleurage before, it's a very, very soft massage technique. And well, we use it as a technique, but it's actually, you know, just a very soft massaging bar. And it does melt very easily onto the skin. Nice.
It's really melty, isn't it? Quickly
Yeah,
melts
that is
in.
really melty.
So you don't need much.
Yeah. And it smells great.
Oh, I forgot to mention sticky dates fragrance, which is obviously a really big favourite at the moment. Yeah. And we're done because this is beautiful.
Very nice. Thank you for doing those, Michelle.
Sorry.
Thank everyone for listening.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this box, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Your iPads.
Oh God, just dripping everywhere. But you're allowed to, aren't you, in your own living room? Yeah.